in my flesh. Pagtama ng tunok sa ako ang kinabuhi. He asked the Lord, but the answer of the Lord is, my grace is sufficient. For my promise is made perfect or in your weaknesses. That's why he said, I hold on to this verse. Ang pangitabo dito namo sa tagiliran. Na natangtang silang papa. Dahil ako nagmuni-muni ko sa ICM. Mall ko siya sa tagiliran. Na nag-referendum na. Wala pa ko kibalo sa result. But the Lord has given me His word. He said in Philippians 1:6, that is His promise wherein He says, He will accomplish what He started in us. He will accomplish what He started in us. And truly, accomplish ang Ginoo what He started. Usay maglibong banta ba? Sakit good. Kaya kuling sa Ginoo na may challenge. It's not just a milk and honey. But there will be challenges. Susama sa itong kinabuhi. Susama sa itong pagpakalaga ng Ginoo. Daghan kayo mga challenges na ako nangyayari. But one thing for sure is, what He started in us, it was come to pass. He will accomplish it. Just like the Lord Jesus Christ, when He promised that the same